can see right through all that Maybelline. That you ain't nothing but a gold digging skank. What movie is that from? That is my movie. I forgot all about that. I'm gonna have to go watch that. Comment below if you know what movie that's from. Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a full face of Maybelline. So I have been dying to use this new Maybelline Lemonade Craze Palette, and so I thought I would do an entire face full of Maybelline products. So in that basket I have foundation, concealer, powders, everything you can think of to make an entire full face of Maybelline. Also, in my craziness to use this palette, I bought it and then I misplaced it, so I rebought it, and then of course I found it. So I have a second one that I never touched, never opened, and I want to give it away to you guys. So this video also doubles as a giveaway. You guys are always so amazing and so supportive, so I thought what better way than to give back to you. The giveaway is going to be super simple. All you have to do is, of course, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and then comment down below. You can comment anything you want down below. Video ideas, your favorite palette for summer, whatever you want, comment that down below. If you want extra entries in the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my vlog channel, which is just Bradley TV, and also make sure you're following me on Instagram. That will get you 2 extra entries into the giveaway. All of the other details will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that. But before we get started with this video, I just want to say hello. My name is Cece. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are brand new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are not brand new to my channel, welcome back. Everybody, make sure you click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button, so make sure that you are a part of the hashtag notification gang and you never miss any one of my videos. YouTube be tripping. You guys always tell me you're not seeing my videos in your notification feed. The best way that I know of that can ensure that you see all of my videos and get notified is to click the little bell. I also like to shout people out who are a part of the hashtag notification gang, and today's shout out goes to Shira B. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang, and if you want a shout out, you know what to do. So I have talked long enough. If you guys want to see how I did this look using all Maybelline products, stay tuned for the video. So first things first, I'm going to use this Maybelline brow pencil. This is the Total Temptation brow pencil, brow definer in deep brown. I don't really love this brow pencil, to be quite honest. I don't like brow pencils shaped in this way. Just these thicker pencils, they're not my cup of tea, but I wanted to keep this all Maybelline, so we're going to use it. Doesn't look half bad though. I don't like the feel of the pencil, but it really doesn't look half bad. So to lock those brows in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette, and this is in deep brown as well. Getting straight into the eyes, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lemonade Craze Palette. I'm so excited for this. It looks so pretty. Are you guys not super excited for this? Oh my god. So I'm gonna take a blending brush, just a regular old blending brush. This is the Morphe, don't got a name on it. It's just Morphe, I guess. Don't have a number on it. I'm gonna take this strawberry lemonade shade right there, and I'm gonna pop that into my crease. It's about time they doing their grass. People across the street doing their grass. They've been here the longest. Their grass should be done. Sorry if any of y'all know my neighbors, but you know what? They should have been did their grass. So nobody on my street been here for longer than probably like 9 months to a year. But they like the only house on the street that got a full yard of grass because they've been here since like before the winter time. So I'm just saying, their grass should be a little bit better kept. Little bit better kept. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful yellow shade. This is the shade Sunnies, and I'm gonna take it, where is it? Right there. I'm gonna take a like slimmer brush. This is the Sedona Lace EB09, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this right into my crease. For my outer corner, I want to deepen this up a little bit, so I'm going to take this brown shade in Old Fashioned right here, and I'm going to pop that in my outer V and a little bit in my crease. Alright, so that shade is not as pigmented as I was hoping. I guess it's building, but it's just not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. Concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, and I'm going to take it and add that to my eyelids just to carve out my lid space. So moving on with the eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Line Stiletto Ultimate Precision Liquid Liner in Blackest Black, and I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. I don't have any Maybelline lashes. I don't think they make lashes, but I'm going to pop on the Ardell Faux Mink in number 811. right here. Ooh, kind of cute. All right, so let's move on to the face. I am going to be using the brand new Maybelline Master Blur Stick, and it looks like this, and they actually have shades in these blur sticks. So this one is in number 130 medium tan, and it's like skin toned, so it's really cool. It's a little bit darker than my skin, like a tad bit, but it's okay. The foundation should cover it. So it's supposed to blur in your pores, and it's actually doing a pretty good job. So that's that, and I believe this is like brand new to their line too, so kind of like this already, but I am really excited to show you guys this foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation stick. I got this one in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel, and it just kind of looks like this, like a regular normal stick foundation. So we're gonna see how it looks. It looks like it's really close to my color. You don't get that much product in it though. As you can see, that's as far up as it goes, and it is, how many ounces is this, or grams? 0.25 ounces this foundation stick is. So you really don't get a lot at all, So on the other side of the stick, they give you this like sponge, so when you're out, you could probably touch up with it. I'm not gonna use that today, but I'm just gonna use a beauty blender, and we're gonna see how this foundation looks. You guys know I've become like a lover of stick foundations, so I'm excited for this one. Yeah, I feel like you could use that up in like a couple of weeks if you use it every day. But it's really creamy, and this is the perfect shade for me. So if we normally wear the same shade, 330 Toffee Caramel would be your shade in this. Yeah, it would totally be your shade. This is like perfect. Could tell, but that blended out so easily, oh my gosh. And it has like, it's set. Wow, that blended out so well, and it is set, like it's in there. Huh. Well, there it is. What do you guys think? I think my face looks really good. Let's do a little bit more on my cheeks. Just one more stroke on my cheeks. Can't believe how great this color match is either. So next thing I'm going to do is conceal. I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer in the shade number 30. This is light medium, and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes. This is a super light concealer. Probably not the right shade that I should have got, but I actually really love the coverage that it has and the staying power, and I don't get the creasing from this concealer, so I really like it. Can see right through all that Maybelline. You ain't nothing but a gold digging skank. To set that concealer, I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light medium, and I'm gonna use that just to set underneath my eyes. Like I said, it's a little bright, but it's cool. It's cool, y'all. I'm gonna take the loose finishing powder, the same thing in medium deep, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with that. So I'm just gonna use this IT Cosmetics powder brush right here, and set my face. Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel, which is so funny because it's the same shade as the foundation. However, this is a lot darker, so this is actually a contour shade on me. So that's what we're gonna do with this, is contour the face. Blush on. I'm using the Maybelline Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit, and it just looks like this. And I am going to use this pink shade right here. Last thing for the face, of course, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold, and I'm going to add this to my cheekbones as well as my nose, Cupid's bow, ooh, that's so pretty, and my inner corner of my eye. For the lips, and use the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Charmer. I've talked to you guys about this before, and I love this lip gloss. This is probably one of my favorite Maybelline products.